How's it going, guys and gals? I'm taking a look at NAS here real quick. I want to do a little backplay analysis with you all that will hopefully help you improve your trade game, level you up, bag you some more profit. And what happened, right? What's going on with this, and why am I looking at this segment and price on the 15-minute chart in particular? Well, a couple things. So we had this area right in here. Well, 14 to 20, we're looking at central bank dealing range. So, all the way up to this point right here kind of makes sense what was going on, followed by some more consolidation. Now, something that I've noticed in my back testing, I'm going to give you all a little golden nugget here. When you have the CBDR range and it's followed by another amount of time or significant amount of time of, well, liquidity accumulation, right? Ranging up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, relatively in the same zone, they're engineering a far greater pool of liquidity. So with that being said, right, price comes up, it starts to rally, and then we get this weird, it goes into a little bit of fractal accumulation. It starts to break out, right? Everyone's FOMO buying right in here. Drops back down, just dream crusher. Shoots back up, FOMO, FOMO, FOMO again, and then slams back down through the 4. Why and what and how? Well, I'll tell you. Draw attention to this right here. This right here. So we have, from this point to here, relative equal lows. Yes, there was some inducement involved, but it was not anything of significance. Then from this point to here, we're met with 2 shaped bottom candles. It's just clean air liquid chilling. And that is at this point here. Okay, target marked, right? Well, what happened? All this is just screw your day fake outs. They were pillaging and maiming people's accounts. People were getting Aquaman liquidated. And this was the move, though, right here. This is where you wanted to go long. And so I'm sharing this because it's going to happen again in the future, and it's going to happen on other pairs, not just, nasty NAS, but it could be on GJ, it could be on CAD JPY. It doesn't matter. Keep an eye out for things like this, because we had these shaped bottom candles and these relative equal lows that had not been ran. And we had our low point right here. Just past the bodies of these candles, there's institutional liquidity. And imagine, coincidence that it runs and hits these relative equal lows, cleans out these shaped bottom candles, and turns just a hair past rupturing in interbank liquidity. Sorry, I can't talk right now, tongue-tied. After that, followed by the rally of rallies that you would have wanted to catch, right? This is a clean move, targeting these intermittent highs here, creating what is a good setup, really, really good trade setup here. Going long here with the take profit here. In the day of Friday, you would have caught if you were patient, right? Because remember, I'm set on New York time, so 9:30 the market opens. Well, 8:30, 9:30, because you have some early key players and whatnot. But when you have something like this going on, when time and price line up, it becomes very obvious what it's going to do. And so what is the market going to do? It's going to play on your patience. It's going to play on your emotions, because that's how people lose money. So market opens, all this chaos is happening, followed by the devastation. Then, right? Then the move, the repricing. Because in order for them to buy, the big players, they need people who are going to sell because they have a lot of money. So that's what's going on. They're inducing people to sell as people see this failed rally, sell off. They think, oh my gosh, it's selling. And then a reversal because they never intended to sell it, right? They were faking people out. They're getting them impatient. But if you had known what to look for over here and you understood price and time, or time and price, then you would have known that if you're patient and waited, this would have been a great setup. So just keep this in mind and look for it in other pairs that you trade. And I promise you, especially if you're one of those people that likes to backtest, you're going to start to see this happen all the time. And it could change your trading for the positive. So hope you all got something valuable from this. Peace out. See you in the next video.